Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Lamborghini Huracan vs Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. I'll walk through performance, handling, comfort, and ownership so you can pick with confidence. I'll cover real numbers for acceleration, typical maintenance expectations, and day-to-day usability. Expect clear pros and cons for track use, street driving, and collector appeal. Stick around to see which car matches your priorities and budget, with practical advice for enthusiasts and buyers. Warm hello, let's look at climate first. Ireland's generally cool. Cloudy weather prevents snakes from gaining reliable body heat, so their metabolism and digestion suffer. Short, cool summers also shrink the breeding window and lower young snakes' chances. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful study tips for you. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting timers, playing focus music, and answering quick questions hands-free while you study. I find a gentle playlist and voice timers keep momentum without distraction. Look in the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.